Hello dear friends, we are Shandong Ling Ke Industry Group. This is our 260 horsepower tractor. The front tire is 540 65 R28 radial tire. The fuel tank is enlarged fuel tank so that you can work more time on the farm. The rear tire is 650 65 R38 radial tire. There are 5 groups of hydraulic output valves to work with farm implements. The PTO is a double-speed PTO with the speed of 760 or 850 rounds per minute. The 3-point linkage is enhanced 3-point linkage so that you can work with heavy farm tools. This is our air conditioner cabin. Here you can adjust the power here. This is a 360-degree reversing image. The tractor is 16 front and 16 rear gear shifts. The instruments are combined instruments. If you are interested in our tractor, please share your contact information. Our sales manager will contact you within 24 hours.